Welcome to the Manik Engineers ammonia leak detector system, 32 channels. Once power on, we have a visible welcome screen here. Tap on. So basic specification for ammonia leak detector 32 channels as follows. Main supply voltage 32 volt DC 9 watt. Sensor input 40 to 20 milliampere. Ammonia transmitter. Range indications 0 to 1000 ppm. Display 7-inch TFT color graphics display. Accuracy ±10%. Communication RS485 RTU Modbus. Touch to the home button to navigate to the main screen. Once we are touch on the home screen, we have a visible channel number 1 to 8 with respect to contamination, warning and alarm levels. With respect to actual sensor reading in the right side column, and bottom setting, acknowledge sensor and next button is available for his own operation. Touch to the setting button to access to the setting menu. Once touch on the setting buttons, we have pop-up screen here for entering to the password. Once the setting screen is visible, we have following options are available: contamination set point, warning set point, leak set point, status set point, and Uttar response time set point. Just touch on the contamination set point to set the contamination threshold value. For warning set point, touch on the warning. And set here warning levels. For leak, touch on the leak keypad and set here warning leak levels. For the stage setting, touch on stage keypad. For auto response time, touch on the set point button on and configuration the response time for router in second. Bottom side, the screen scroll of calibration, RT settings buttons are available for its operation. Calibration helps to correct the small deflection in readings to minimize the wire losses. So touch on the calibration button here and entering the password. Once the calibration screen is visible, we have channel number 1 to 16 channels is visible to the set the calibration value. Just touch on the calibration keypad to set calibration value. So with respect to channel, you can set the calibrations value and offset. Press on the next button to set channel number 72 to 32 calibrations value here. Touch on any. Regarding to the RTC setting, touch on RTC setting button. Enter here password. So left side calendar settings and right side we have RTC settings here. So for calendar settings we have date, month and year settings, and for clock settings we have hours and minute setting. So with respect to calendar settings, we have a D++ for incrementing the date value, and D minus for the decrementing the date value. Same as for incrementing the month, we have a plus and minus buttons here. For years, we have a YY plus and YY minus buttons here. For hours, we have a HH plus and HH minus button, and minutes we have plus and minus buttons here. Okay. Once the footer is on, we are seeing the acknowledge button in a red colors. So we have to acknowledge our hooters. Just tap on the acknowledge button, and then hooter will be acknowledged, and we see the acknowledge button in green. Okay. So screen on and off operation, just tap on the screen off button, then screen on operation will be start. So screen on operation is for channel number 1 to 32. We have a 4 screen, so 4 screen will be rotate in sequentially from screen 1 to the screen 4. Channel number 1 to 8, 16 to 9 to 16, 17 to 24, and 25 to 32. Also, we have a next button is available to the manually scrolling our screen. So just tap on the next button. So we get the 9 to 16 channels, 17 to 24 channels, and 25 to 32 channels. Also, we have a GSM SMS facility with the Modbus communication in our system. So we are communicating with the Modbus